Surgery was a success, and the outcome might be better than expected.
There'll still be significant neurological dysfunction on your left side, but not as much as we'd anticipated.
Sick. Thank you.
You did good, my friend.
You have to be patient.
Nah.
Is patience a bad thing?
Acceptance is a bad thing. When I was a kid, I wasn't good at jack. But I never quit. I found my thing. Don't ever let anyone tell you what you can and can't do.
Shaun, I'm gonna drive you home. You to see Melissa. If you don't like her, she'll leave. But there's no more running away. Why do you think I'm doing this?
Because you are stubborn.
Okay, sure, I'm stubborn. But I'm doing this for you, okay? So that you can have a better life, so that you can have a happier life.
What if it doesn't make me happy? What if it doesn't make me happy? What if it only makes you happy?
You think I'm doing this to make me happy? I'm not happy, Shaun. I'm not close to being happy. And you know what? I am done explaining, I am done bribing, and I am done talking. Now let's go.
No,
let's go.
No, I want to make my own decisions.
Shaun, can you keep your voice down, please?
You cannot keep ordering me around, okay? You're not my father.
I know that. Shaun, I don't understand why this is so upsetting. I don't get it. Shaun, just calm down now, please.
Okay, don't let anyone ever tell you what you can't do to make my own decisions. I want to make my own decisions. I want to make my own. I want help. Shaun.
Where would he go? Is there a place he likes to hang out, a place where he feels comfortable?
No, I don't know. And he's not at the hospital. And there used to be a picture here of Shaun and his brother Steve.
What do you think that means?
It means he's not coming back.